So we got this black truck in here. We are since needing to find a 9/16 socket for this water truck, socket or wrench for the water truck, so that way we can take the battery cover off of it, because we need to charge a battery. It's I believe it's an 84, 85, 86 GMC General with a 350 Cummins in it, and we need to take this battery cover off of this thing here so we can access the batteries, however you pronounce it. Yeah, they're supposed to be, it's just supposed to be so you can use a key here to just, you know, with a key, but they require you to use wrenches. Why? I have no clue, but I guess it is what it is. Let me grab a flashlight and we'll take them bolts off. I think there might be only just 3 of them, if I remember correctly. Now I brought a ratchet and an extension. I brought a deep well socket and a shallow socket, okay? Because you just never know what size of a 9/16 socket you're gonna need. A deep well, a shallow, an extension, no extension, or a wrench. I can't remember right offhand, but yeah. No, wait a minute. No, that one's welded. That one is welded for some reason. Okay. Oh, Lord help me remember what we got going on here, because I don't remember. I think it just comes apart right here. It's actually a good thing I brought a socket with me, or a ratchet I should say. Well, let's see, are we long enough now? Well, kind of, but kind of not. I mean, I guess we are. That one ain't even tight. What the heck? Oh, it's spinning. Nope, that's welded underneath. Oh, what do we got going here? Well, that one there. Oh, that was easy as that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Why they just didn't keep it with the key, I have no idea, but you know what? I don't think this thing has a key. It's just push button. Okay, so the bottom ones are a 1/2 inch, I believe. Why he didn't tell me 1/2 inch? And 9/16, I have no clue, but you know what? It is what it is. People forget things. It's fine. Oh, don't tell me I just friggin' dropped it in the right. Ah, shoot. Dang it. Ah. Why I hate a gravel floor. Gosh darn it. Oh well. So everybody and their brother calls me a overachiever, worrywart, things like that. Well, it's always better to have more tools to do a job than what you need. Okay, that's the 9/16. This is a 1/2 inch and 7/16. Okay, so yeah, 1/2 inch wrench, 7/16 right there. 1/2-inch socket, 7/16 socket. I swear, if this is gonna be the wrong freaking size, I'm gonna be mad. Huh? No. No, too small. So it must be 1/2-inch. I'm betting you that it is. Okay, it just, there is no way that the bottom for the nut or the bolt to grab a hold of. So it's just sitting there spinning itself around. And yeah. There ain't even nothing spinning on the underside. I can't reach nothing. So I bet you that this thing is ready to come off. It's probably just them two screws holding this thing, or 2 bolts. And I'm gonna say that voila, just like that. I thought there was more to this thing, but I guess not. So we'll just where are we gonna set this? First of all, we need to move that cord out of the way. We need to shut this battery charger off. Yeah, because it is on the Ford backhoe. I need to figure out where stop is. Or is it just in a battery maintaining function? I don't know. I'm going to unplug it because, well, yeah, we're still going to use this cord though, because we need a lengthy cord, okay? And that is just what's going to have to happen. We will plug that back in when we plug it back into the truck, or the battery charger into the truck, anywho. Okay. I need to figure out what I'm doing as far as, oh my goodness, I'm not that fat, it's just the amount of clothes I got on. Good grief. So I imagine you just do what? You're hot first, and then you're ground, I would imagine. I don't know. I really don't like screwing around with batteries more than the next person does, but hey, it is what it is, okay? And I'm paranoid.
Hello?
Hey, Jason.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm having a brain fart right now.
You gotta fix the phone where I can hear you. I can't understand you.
I said I'm having a brain fart right now.
Okay.
Can you remind me which battery terminal you unhook first?
Like, you're talking from the tender, or when you're on the battery?
Unhooking the battery charger off this backhoe so I can put on the water truck. You wanna unhook the hot first, right? Or do you wanna? Because you wanna unhook the hot first, right?
I normally do. It doesn't really matter, but first you make sure the charger is unplugged from the wall, and then unplug it if you're paranoid about it.
Right. That's what I did.
Yeah.
But
yeah. You can do hot first. You can actually do either, but
oh, okay. And then just hook this water truck up the same way because it's in series, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But it, you should be good. I mean, starting with the hot one first is good practice, but it's not going to hurt it, you know?
Right.
So.
I just didn't want to create a spark or anything.
Yeah.
But
yeah, you'll be good.
Okay, I appreciate it. And then you want to hook it up the same way, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hot first and then the ground.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. I mean, either way, again, I've done it both ways. It's just, if I worry about it, I just leave the charger unplugged, then plug in the charger after I get the clamps on the battery.
Right. Okay. Let me see if I can burn the building down. Maybe potentially. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't like these battery tenders. I like the ones that I have. You know, you just plug it in and the damn thing does its own thing.
Yeah.
You know, these new ones confuse the crap out of me.
Yeah. They've oftentimes got a safety. It won't charge if it recognizes reverse polarity.
Oh yeah?
I'd have to look at the one you're talking about, but I would say it's probably got a safety on
It's this gray one here, like what we had on the generator.
Yeah.
When we had the wash plant.
Yeah.
It's this gray one here.
Okay. That one might have the reverse polarity protection.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, I appreciate it.
Yep, no problem.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Let's see, we're in series, so I'm gonna assume. Oh, what we got going here? I don't know what we got going here. What I can do, however, is I can determine what battery or what connections are what on this general. I would like to think, well, they don't really give you a good diagram of I'm gonna say that that's positive. Yeah. And then who unhooked the other one? What? Somebody unhooked that one. Look at that right there in the middle of the screen. I don't know, at least yeah, that's positive. I can see it right there where it says positive. Okay, that's good. Okay, why they only got 3 batteries in this, I have no idea. Let's see, 12, 24, 36, 48 would be 4, okay? 36 being 3, 24 volt being 2, and 12 volt being 1, but I've been told that these are hooked in series. I'm a little iffy on how all that works, but it is what it is. Well, let's see here. Got my safety glasses on. Okay. Which is first? That. To the ground. Like that. Okay. I think. And then we need to plug it in to the wall over here. And then we need to hope and pray that nothing bad happens. Oh, what are we caught on now? Oh, nothing. I like that when you aren't caught on something but you think you are. That's a trip hazard in itself waiting to happen, but it is what it is. Okay. I know why it's like that, so that you know that, hey, you know, that cord is there. We done it. He did it like that for the backhoe. Oh, what am I doing here? Okie dokie. I don't know. Is that what percentage it's at? I don't know. What? Oh, that's what percentage it's at. Guess we want to hit charge. If we hit charge, it stops it. Okay, we're on 12 volt. This here, I have no clue what I'm doing with that. I would imagine you just want that on general. I think. I don't know. The instructions weren't very clear. But it is what it is. So we'll just let it like this for a few days, and we'll come back to it. I imagine 2 amp is like a trickle charger. I think. Yeah, then 6 amp, and then 10 amp. Okay. I'd still like to know what that there means, though. I know what these two are, but I don't know what this middle one is here. It's got like gel and all that stuff on it. STD. I don't know. I'm just glad I got it hooked up right, to be honest with you. Hey, there's always a first time for everything.